Looking for a revolutionary way to achieve healthy nails and radiant skin? Introducing Nano Defense Pro, powered by cutting-edge nanotechnology. Here are 30 reasons why Nano Defense Pro is the ultimate solution for your nails and skin. Deep penetration to nourish from within. Enhanced absorption for superior results. Improves skin hydration at deeper levels. Nourishes nails at the root for added strength. Fights nail brittleness, reducing breakage. Repairs damaged skin from the inside out. Promotes youthful, glowing skin. The non-greasy formula for a comfortable feel. Faster results with nanotechnology precision. Boosts skin elasticity, reducing sagging. Long-lasting effects due to deep nourishment. Supports skin cell renewal for a fresh look. Reduces wrinkles by targeting them at the source. Strengthens nail beds, ensuring healthy growth. Enhances nail growth for stronger nails. Protects against environmental damage. Balances skin's pH levels for optimal health. Gentle formula, perfect for sensitive skin and nails. Reduces skin redness and inflammation. Fights fungal infections, protecting nails. Minimizes pores for smoother skin. Replenishes essential nutrients to both skin and nails. Prevents nail discoloration, keeping them clear. Non-toxic ingredients for safe long-term use. Improves skin texture for an even tone. Heals cracked nails, promoting recovery. Promotes radiant, youthful skin. Clinically tested, proven effectiveness. Reduces skin irritations, leaving skin soothed. Supports overall skin and nail health for lasting beauty. Nano Defense Pro is the answer to all your skin and nail care needs. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated and discover more about Nano Defense Pro and other amazing products for healthy nails and skin.